Hello everyone. Welcome to this integration video on Azure DevOps and Micro Focus Octane. As a product manager, I will be creating a new user story in Azure DevOps that will sync to Micro Focus Octane. After completion of the development process, the status of the user story in Azure DevOps will be changed to closed, and the QA team will create and run the test case against the closed user story. If the test case fails, the QA team will analyze the issue and log a defect in Micro Focus Octane, which changes the status of the user story in Azure DevOps. With this introduction, let us move to the actual demo. As a product manager, I will be creating a user story in Azure DevOps. So let me provide a title and description here. We will also be adding a relevant attachment with the user story and save the record. Now the development team receives the user story and starts working on it. Assuming that the development team has completed working on the user story, I will be changing the status of the user story to closed and save it. As the user story also syncs to Micro Focus Octane, the QA team will be notified that the development is completed, and they will start creating test cases. I already have a test case created, so let me link the existing test case to the newly synced user story. Now let's execute this test case. I will be providing a title for the test run and begin the run. Let me fail this run in order to create a defect here. Let me create a defect with it. I will be providing a title to the defect, add the severity as medium, and save this defect. As soon as the defect is logged, the status of the user story in Azure DevOps will also change to active again. Let me open my user story in Azure DevOps, and as you can see, the status is changed to active. Next, let me move to Kovair and show you the end-to-end traceability. If I drill down the user story further, you can see the next iteration steps. The user story is linked with test case. The test case is linked with defect and test run. Hence, in this way the entire hierarchy can be established. This brings us to the end of the demo. Thank you for watching. Please contact sales@kovair.com for further queries or live demo session.